2017 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster, compass, fog lights, driver and front passenger heated seats, heated steering wheel, CD player, trip computer, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.